Hello and welcome to WeLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 4, part 3 of Business Communication. The name of the session is The Importance of Listening in the Workplace. Topics to be covered in this session are listening for managerial success. As we've already discussed about listening in the part 1 and part 2 of this session, that who is a good listener who is an active listener, what is actually the process of listening. गुड लिसनर के बारे में मैंने आपको बताया कि गुड लिसनर जो है वो सभी तरीके के एविडेंसेस को कंसिडर करता है बिफोर जंपिंग टू कंक्लूजन्स. ही टेक्स नोट्स व्हेन लिसनिंग इन ऑर्डर टू रिकॉल इंफॉर्मेशन, concentrates on what the speaker is saying, willing to consider the opinions of others, tries to find solution to others' problem, is curious about other people and their ideas, able to grasp the main idea for others' comments, and willing to consider the opinion of others, encourages others to express their ideas. So the person who do all these things, these are the few characteristics of a good listener. And I told you to just guess about yourself, just know about yourself that whether you are also a good listener or not, and what are the various barriers. If not, what are the various barriers that come as an obstacle in your listening to your work. What are the things that can be taken as a barrier to your listening, and how can you improve that? What are the strategies that you can adopt there so that you can also become an active listener? So from here we are going to discuss about in listening in the managerial context or in the business context. जैसे कि हमने बात किया, इफेक्टिव लिसनिंग जो है बहुत ही इसेंशियल क्वालिटी है ऑफ अ सक्सेसफुल मैनेजर. स्टडीज कंडक्टेड ऑन द स्किल्स कंसिडर्ड मोस्ट क्रूशियल फॉर मैनेजरियल एबिलिटी एंड इंडिकेटेड दैट एक्टिव लिसनिंग जो है वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर मैनेजरियल सक्सेस एंड इन बिजनेस कॉन्टेक्स्ट. In other studies where business people were asked to describe the communication skills that they considered most important, that they wish they had been taught in college, listening figured on top of the list. जब लोगों से पूछा गया कि कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपने कॉलेज टाइम पे चाहते थे कि वो सिखाया जाए, कौन सी चीज़ है जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थी बट नहीं सिखाई गई, तो most of the people had said or figured listening on top of the list. So listening is therefore crucial in a business context. It is very important in a business environment. It can boost quality, profits and productivity. Whereas poor listening जो है वो बिल्कुल इसका opposite effect देती है. कई बार it leads to costly errors, जैसे कि रीटाइपिंग करना पड़ जाए आपको important documents, rescheduling करना पड़ जाए important meetings, so it can lead to costly errors also. Good listening skills can help you locate job openings, fare well in job interviews and be selected for the job. Once you are on the job, listening becomes more important. As a manager, you will have to listen to superiors, subordinates, customers and other stakeholders. Listeners has been found to be particularly important in certain professions and industries. The service industry, which is a fast growing industry both in India and abroad, is one such example. In the insurance industry, it has been found that good listening led to career advancement. Banking sector भी देखा जाए तो एक good bank manager बनने के लिए आपको good listening skills की जरूरत पड़ेगी. हेल्थ केयर इंडस्ट्री देखा जाए तो पेशेंट्स की बात को अगर आप ठीक से नहीं समझ पाते हैं, it is very important for you to listen carefully to your patients, which is very useful in gathering more accurate information about them. So according to a professor at Cornell, he said good service in many respects is good listening. In order to thrive in highly competitive, rapid changing environment, service employees must learn to listen well. So in search of excellence में अगर हम देखा जाए book in search of excellence में ये बताया गया है कि exactly emphasize किया गया है कि कितना important है listening to your customers. So I would like to tell you listening to customers के बारे में, जहाँ पर हमें customers को अगर हमें सुनना है because they are like God. Customers are very important for an organization. Organization today are beginning to recognize the importance of being customer oriented. Customer orientation means उनको identify करना, satisfy करना customer needs, which in turn involves listening to and what the customer really wants. So when measuring customer satisfaction, it is important to listen to and respond to customer complaints or customer opinions or customer perceptions. दिस इज बिकॉज एक डिससैटिस्फाइड कस्टमर जो है वो आपका नेगेटिव वर्ड ऑफ माउथ करेगा, पब्लिसिटी, नेगेटिव वर्ड ऑफ माउथ पब्लिसिटी जब आपकी प्रोडक्ट या कंपनी की होगी तो वहां पर आपके लिए, कंपनी के लिए, बहुत ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए बैड इफेक्ट, वी कैन से इट विल क्रिएट बैड इफेक्ट फॉर योर कंपनी. It is important to satisfy and retain your existing customers so that they remain loyal to your company. उसके लिए आपको एक ब्लास्ट टेक्निक जो है वो अपनानी चाहिए. ब्लास्ट में जो B है, it stands for believing the customer. बहुत जरूरी है कि आपका जो कस्टमर कह रहा है उस पर विश्वास करिए, because customer is the king. It's very important to take the customer for his word, even though he may not be telling the truth, rather than doubt what he is saying. Even if the customer complaint काम में नॉट बी जस्टिफाइड, बहुत जरूरी है कि आप उसको कोशिश करें कि उसकी कोई प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करें. अनदर ब्लास्ट में सेकंड, दैट इज एल. एल स्टैंड फॉर लिसनिंग हिम एक्टिवली. ध्यान से सुने उसकी नीड्स क्या है, फ्रस्ट्रेटेड है, एंग्री है, और उसको हैंडल करें टैक्टफुली. इट वुड बी अ गुड स्ट्रैटेजी टू रिपीट द प्रॉब्लम इन एन ऑब्जेक्टिव मैनर टू शो दैट यू हैव हर्ड एंड अंडरस्टूड क्लियरली. Then apologize. Blast में A stands for apologize. Even if the customer and the company are not at fault, it is always good idea to apologize your complaining customer. So whether she is right or not, therefore he expects an apology. So a sincere apology will go a long way in calming down an angry customer. Then blast में next is S. S stands for satisfaction or satisfied. यहाँ पर एक satisfied customer जो है best advertisement for your product. This is because such a customer will spread positive word of mouth publicity about your product to others. So बहुत जरूरी है कि valuable customers को identify करें, उन्हें सुने, effort करें उन्हें retain करने का by offering them special privileges from time to time. Then blast में T stands for thank you. Even if the customer ने आपके लिए खिलाफ अगर लॉन्च किए कंप्लेन, तो आप उसे सुने, उसे थैंक करें, and it is very important to thank him or her for bringing it to your attention so that the solution can be found. Customer complaint should be looked at in very positive way as an opportunity to solve a problem that did not exist earlier. In the absence of complaints, you may not be aware of the problem in the first place. This could even damage the reputation of your organization. Managerial success में बात करें तो listening before job interviews, its interview is perspective. Interviewee का perspective ये होना चाहिए कि job interviews के time पे listening is also a skill that is needed by both job interviewers and interviewees in order to make the interview a success. So it should take up half the interviewing time. Listening जो है वो it takes up half of the interviewing time, although this really happens in reality. Since one person or the other fails to listen for some reason or the other, we have discussed these values also already in detail. Relative importance जो है listening की वो vary करती है depending on the type of interview. एक employment interview में where the purpose is to assess how well an applicant will perform on the job through discussion, listening will be equally important for both the interviewer and interviewee. तो listening दोनों के लिए ही बहुत important है, interviewee के लिए भी और interviewer के लिए भी. Before job interview it is responsibility of interviewee, यहाँ पे perspective रहेगा interviewee को, और during job interview एक successful interview बनाने के लिए हाँ दोनों का ही, इंटरव्यूअर और इंटरव्यूई दोनों की ही इम्पोर्टेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि उस चीज़ का ध्यान रखिए, ध्यान से सुने. ऑन द अदर हैंड अगर हम एग्जिट इंटरव्यू की बात करें तब पर्पस इज टू गैदर फीडबैक फ्रॉम द एम्प्लॉय रिगार्डिंग हिज रीजंस टू लीव द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इंटरव्यूअर मे हैव टू डू मोर ऑफ द लिसनिंग. इंडस्ट्री जो है हमारी इंडस्ट्री स्पेसिफिक लिसनिंग करिए. सर्विस इंडस्ट्री जो है हमारी पूरी, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि हेल्थ केयर अगर हम देखते हैं, बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री देखते हैं, या आप देख सकते हैं हेल्थ केयर इंडस्ट्री को, वहां पर आपको हर जगह पे देखा जाए अगर तो लिसनिंग बहुत मैटर करता है. एक गुड मैनेजर बनने के लिए आपको लिसनिंग की जरूरत है. एक गुड डॉक्टर बनने के लिए इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लिसनिंग टू पेशेंट्स which has been useful to you in gathering more accurate information about them. So listening is customers. I already told you कि customers को सुनना, जहाँ पर believing first is understanding the needs, believe करिए, then listen actively, respond करिए उनकी complaints को, believe करिए, thank करिए and apologize करिए अपने customers को, because thanking is very important. अगर आप थैंक करते हैं, it will lead to long-term relationship that will help you to retain your valuable customers and make efforts to retain them by offering them special privileges from time to time and try to satisfy your customers, because a satisfied customer is the best advertisement for your product. Listening to employees में मैंने आपको बताया कि we have already discussed, यहाँ पे हमने upward communication के बारे में पढ़ा कि through which subordinates give feedback and suggestion to your superiors. तो subordinates जो हैं अपना feedback देते हैं और suggestion देते हैं superiors को. This type of communication को हमें encourage करना चाहिए, suppress ना करें इस communication को. This type of communication should be encouraged since valuable suggestions may sometimes come from employees. Employees से भी कई बार बहुत valuable suggestions आ जाते हैं. Superiors need to be open to suggestions. और downward communication की बात करें तो superiors को भी open रहना चाहिए और complaints को लेकर employees की open रहना चाहिए. This is an indication that they are listening to their employees. Listening also means inviting suggestions and personal opinions of employees through regular downward communication. Another situation where listening to employees is of prime importance is during a performance appraisal. This is also a part of downward communication. Manager doing a performance review of the subordinates should take care not to do a destructive review. एक manager जो एक performance review कर रहा है subordinate का, बहुत जरूरी है कि वो destructive review ना दे where the subordinate is criticized for poor performance. उसका poor performance के लिए उसे criticize ना करे. On the other hand एक constructive review दे through which manager hears out to employee's problem. Employee की problem समझे, सुने और उसे ध्यान से समझे और reason ले why there was a lack in performance, which is an indication of listening to the employee. So in this case he or she listens with empathy and understanding. उसके भी views को समझने की कोशिश करें, empathy रखिए and understanding. That is why we have already discussed and listening called empathetic listening, जहाँ पर आपको सामने वाले की बात को उसके पोजीशन पर आकर समझना चाहिए, उसके मूड, उसके बिलीफ, उसके इमोशंस को भी समझना चाहिए. इन सच अ सिचुएशन मैनेजर को जो है थेराप्यूटिस्ट की तरह वर्क करना चाहिए, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया पार्ट 1 ऑफ दिस सेशन में. थेराप्यूटिक लिसनिंग का मतलब जहाँ पर आप काउंसिल करते हैं एम्प्लॉय को ऑन हाउ टू इम्प्रूव परफॉर्मेंस. उनकी प्रॉब्लम सुनने के बाद जब आप अपना काउंसलिंग करते हैं, उन्हें सजेशन देते हैं, फीडबैक देते हैं, उन्हें समझाते हैं कि किस तरीके से आप इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, तो आप बाय डायग्नोसिंग द प्रॉब्लम एट हैंड एंड यू आर ऑफरिंग अ रेमेडी और सॉल्यूशन. This type of listening is very common in social situations also, where family and personal problems are resolved through counseling. So, taking the example of manager doing a performance appraisal, the manager should not only understand the employee's problem, but also counsel him by suggesting what measures he could take to improve his performance in future. Now, how to overcome barriers to listening? जैसे कि मैंने आपको कुछ strategies बताई. There are number of barriers in the way of effective listening, but मैंने आपको बताया कि हम इन्हें conscious efforts, training और practice से overcome कर सकते हैं, जिसमें मैंने आपको कुछ methods बताए कि आप conducive environment create करिए, free environment create करिए, जहाँ distraction free environment हो, जो select करिए face to face channels, open minded रहिए, distractions avoid करिए, use non-verbal cues to indicate active listening, verbal communication का use करिए active listening को indicate करने के लिए, and first listen before responding and try to use the speaker listener gap constructively. Also focus on verbal and non-verbal messages. Focusing on content is very important rather than on the delivery, and ask questions of yourself and make notes about the whole concept or whole message. Try to make notes. So these are the few strategies with which we can overcome barriers to listening. But next question is what are the different types of listening, जिसमें हमने अलग-अलग types की listening के बारे में जाना, like discriminative listening, comprehension listening, evaluative listening, appreciative listening, empathetic listening, therapeutic listening and dialogic listening. We have already discussed them in part 1. So this is do it yourself for you. That's all for this session. I think if you are clear with what is actually listening and what is the basic difference between listening and hearing, and you are clear that listening is one of the most important aspects of communication, and listening precedes any type of communication, and it occurs more frequently of job than any other aspect of communication, even more than speaking, reading or writing, because the new model of business is totally based on teamwork, which requires effective listening skill than before for greater coordination. So we have already discussed about how to overcome these barriers, and We have already discussed the methods to be adopted for better listening in the workplace. So all the best for becoming good or an active listener. That's all for the session by now. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.